Welcome to had6 channel. In this video, we will look into scrutiny. 14 nouns with similar meanings will be reviewed in example sentences. Let's get started. Number 1. Probe. Which means a thorough investigation into a crime or other matter. Probe. For example, a probe into alleged financial irregularities at the club. Number 2. Inspection. Which means careful examination or scrutiny. Inspection. For example, on closer inspection it looked like a fossil. Number 3. Inquiry. Which means an act of asking for information. Inquiry. For example, telephone inquiries. Number 4. Scan. Which means an act of scanning someone or something. Scan. For example, a quick scan of the sports page. Number 5. Survey. Which means a general view, examination, or description of someone or something. Survey. For example, there is now a need for a survey of the current literature. Number 6. Investigation. Which means the action of investigating something or someone. Investigation. For example, this claim requires further investigation. Number 7. Review. Which means a formal assessment of something with the intention of instituting change if necessary. Review. For example, the council is to undertake a review of its property portfolio. Number 8. Dissection. Which means the action of dissecting a body or plant to study its internal parts. Dissection. For example, a thorough dissection of the government's industrial policies. Number 9. Perusal. Which means the action of reading or examining something. Perusal. For example, I continued my perusal of the instructions. Number 10. Research. Which means the systematic investigation into and study of materials and sources in order to establish facts and reach new conclusions. Research. For example, he could no longer afford to continue his researches. Number 11. Audit. Which means a systematic review or assessment of something. Audit. For example, he announced an immediate audit of the party accounts. Number 12. Analysis. Which means detailed examination of the elements or structure of something. Analysis. For example, statistical analysis. If you have better examples in mind, please share them in the comment section below. Also, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe.